students, today we are going to discuss our topic extraction as we have discussed in our previous videos or classes. We have discussed about the high reactive metals, we have discussed about the medium reactive metal, how we extract the pure metal from the ore of these metals. Today now we are going to discuss the extraction of the metals which lie in the law of activity series through their ores. ठीक है, तो जनरली जो मेटल्स हैं which belong to the low reactive in the reactivity series, generally they are copper, mercury we take as an example, and copper generally found in the form of Cu2s, and these low reactive metals generally they found in the form of sulfide ores. So copper is generally found in the form of copper sulfide. It is commonly known as copper glens. Second, mercury. Mercury is generally found in the form of mercuric sulfide, and this mercuric sulfide generally known as the cinnabar ore. So the low reactive metals generally found in the form of sulfide ore, or as we have discussed the extraction of medium reactive metal, in that we have discussed about roasting and calcination, and for the sulfide ore we do the process of roasting. और roasting में क्या होता है, in this process, in the process of roasting we have to convert the sulfide ore into the oxide in the excess of oxygen, है ना. So for sulfide ore what we do the first step is what we do, roasting. इसमें क्या होगा, our metal sulfide in the excess of oxygen, it will convert into what, it will convert into metal oxide. So, and in the next step what we do the reduction. So extraction of the low reactive metal occur in the two steps. One is roasting, another is reduction. So our metal ore get converted into metal oxide, and the metal oxide of the low reactive metal like copper oxide, mercuric oxide, they will easily reduce only and only upon heating. Metal oxide, they will reduce just on heating into the pure metal, and it is not ultimately pure as in case of highly reactive metal. So we do the refining of it and ultimately we get the pure metal. Clear? So I discussed the extraction of copper and respectively mercury. So we have suppose mercury ore. First we roast it in the presence of oxygen, then it convert into the mercuric oxide, HgO, plus a gas is released, that is SO2. You can balance a reaction. No, it is not going to balance. Like this, now it is balanced. In the second step, here we get the cinnabar get converted into the metal oxide, the metal sulfide get converted into the metal oxide in the excess of oxygen. This process is known as roasting. Now this mercuric sulfide oxide is unstable. It easily decompose on heating. It thermally get decomposed on heating, and we get the pure mercury here, Hg plus O2. So we get this. If we balance the reaction like that, we get. Clear? So this is the mercury we get, and in the last we do the refining of this obtained mercury and we get the ultimately 100% pure metal. Similarly, in case of copper, we have copper sulfide, copper glens as a ore. First we do the roasting of it in the presence of oxygen. So this copper oxide sulfide get converted into copper sulfide with the release of sulfur dioxide gas. but एक स्पेशल बात याद रखना, here this copper undergoes self reduction, खुद रिडक्शन में चला जाता है, self reduction of this copper oxide will take place. This copper oxide with the copper sulfide gets self reduced and we obtain the pure copper with the release of SO2 gas. Clear? If we balance a reaction like this we get, है ना? इसको भी हम बैलेंस कर लेंगे, इसको बैलेंस करेंगे तो like this it get balanced. So how we get the pure metal in case of low reactive? I take the example of copper and mercury in this case. So generally these are found in the form of sulfide. So in the first step we do the roasting, and after the roasting our metal sulfide get converted into the metal oxide, and a metal oxide ultimately we get reduced. Because हम metal oxide में क्यों बदलते हैं? The question arise, like the conceptual question may arise from this concept कि why we get convert this sulfide or carbonate into the oxide. Why we directly do not reduce this metal sulfide or metal carbonate directly reduce into the metal? हम metal sulfide और carbonate को directly reduce क्यों नहीं कर लेते? Why we convert these sulfide or carbonate or into the metal oxide, then we reduce it? Because the reduction of metal oxide is easy. They can be easily reduced, but sulfide and carbonate ore they does not be get reduced easily. Okay students? So हमने फर्स्ट स्टेप में दोनों में क्या किया? ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में रोस्ट किया, दोनों में मेटल ऑक्साइड में कन्वर्ट हुआ. इन द नेक्स्ट स्टेप द मर्क्यूरिक ऑक्साइड जो हमारे ऑक्साइड मिला, दैट ऑन हीटिंग इट गेट रिड्यूस, and here copper gets self reduced with the copper sulfide. We also get the copper here in the pure form. In the both the cases we ultimately refine it and ultimately we get the pure metal. So with this students, we done the second step of the extraction. We done the second step of our extraction. पहले हमने किया था the concentration or enrichment of ore. Second हमने किया था the extraction based upon the activity, low reactive, medium reactive, highly reactive. In the case of highly reactive we have done electrolytic reduction. मीडियम दो स्टेट में मिल रहा था, कार्बोनेट एंड सल्फाइड रोस्टिंग और कैल्सिनेशन अप्लाइड करके, एंड इन द लास्ट वी डू द रिडक्शन, एंड इन द थर्ड वी हैव डिस्कस्ड टुडे अबाउट द लो रिएक्टिव मेटल, how we extract the low reactive metal. Our last step is remaining refining of metal. ठीक है, in the next video we will discuss. I hope you all are understanding this topic and you are enjoying the online classes. Till then you can revise all, prepare, read from your books please. You must read from your books also, and again see and watch all the videos please. And please press the like button and comment me in the comment box if you does not understand any of the point from this video, then I will answer all the queries. Okay student, till then thank you very much.